This is why it's an Asbro. Yo, YouTube, knocking on for me mate Mike. Here he is.
Hey up.
What we doing, Mike?
We're gonna uncover baguette number 1. I mean, what did we do? We did the diffuser pulley, water pump, belts, and literally it's April and the car's been under the cover before Christmas.
Yeah.
So we need to get the sheet off, see what condition it's in inside, and try and get her started. She's not been started for 4 months.
Little Teen Dynamic 1.2s. 15-inch bad boys.
What tyres are on them?
What have you got? 88 ORs.
I think so, yeah. Not been out for a bit. There we go. Baguette number 1.
Flagship baguette. Don't tell John. She is an absolute beauty, this one.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Seen it for a bit.
We're probably going to have to jump this, aren't we?
No, the battery should be alright. I've disconnected it.
Ah, right.
It's a new battery, so the battery should be alright. Hopefully. Yeah, it's still open. We've still got stuff, so it seems alright, actually. Yeah, because we've got, what have we got? We've got seats, we've got a rear half cage, we've had all the inside sprayed, wiring loom done up just so it looks a bit neater. We've got harnesses, and then I think this is just a box of tricks, isn't it?
Is that not from when we did the diffuser?
Yeah, so we've still
got the water pump in there.
Still got the water pump, because the water pump on it was new anyway, because it had a engine rebuild a year before. And then that's the old diffusers and belts and pulleys.
Yeah, and tensioner.
Yeah.
Nice, mate, nice.
She's still.
Did you see that video I sent you the other day with that M4? Did you see him racing on track?
Yeah.
Clio Turbo, smoking him.
Was it?
Yeah. 172 Clio Turbo, mate.
Give me ideas. Right, so
I reckon one of these would be better supercharged than turboed though, because the pistons are chocolate.
These catches are absolutely horrendous.
Did you put them on, or were they the ones that came on it?
No, I put these on, and thought, yeah, they'll be great.
Those original pins, they go rusty, but they are the best ones to put on.
Bit of water in there. So yeah.
Right, well let's get it hooked up and see if it starts. Give her a bit of a run.
Pretty clean. What she had a gearbox done, engine rebuild. It just wants. Had a bit, everyone sprayed it, whoever we got it off. It needs running done, it needs getting out there, and it needs a bit of heat running through it.
Yeah, it's there. Might just need a flush. It sounds different to the sound last time though. So when I had the 197, there was a noise that was inside the cover here, and it was almost like a little bit of a...
Metallic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whereas that's what it was before. Now this doesn't sound like that anymore. This sounds chop, 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 choppy.
Which we did have that noise, and then we changed the diffuser, didn't we?
Yeah.
With a new belt.
But the noise from the bottom's gone.
Yeah. Like, don't forget, she's not actually been run properly.
Yeah.
Since we put the diffuser and the new belts on. It drove from your house and got put here.
Yeah. Chop, 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 choppy. Little baguette. Oh,
I forgot how stiff she is, mate.
Yeah, it is stiff.
These bumps.
It's doing no good for my stabilisation. I can't keep the video still, so I do apologise.
Yes. Solid melts throughout.
Yeah. probably just Mike's leg was going on the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, she needs an exhaust, mate, because then that'll give you that thrill.
Yeah, definitely. It sounds mint now, I think it sounds mint. But just round here, on this road where I live, you can't give it any.
Yeah.
It's just, there's neighbours. The brakes need sorting though.
We'd have to go to Mexico for that.
A few moments later.
Well, we went and looked at the Clio, got it started. And now Matty's come home and he's
I want my wiring loom like Mike's now.
now he's pulling his loom apart.
So that's out. Mate, look how much weight saving we've done there.
Couple of gram there, isn't it?
That's definitely worth 1/10.
Cheeky tenth there, worth of wires.
A tenth of a second at Alton.
That's it.
Right.
So we know what it is now, don't we?
Must have just been too far away. I had it right the first time, I just had that too far away. Sweet, mate. Right, we tested. We're just cleaning up this little bit of a loom. It was a little bit intermittent, but
Always re-wrap your looms so they look nice and neat.
and then we'll tuck this under the dash and make it look, well, it won't look nice, it'll be hidden. Tuck this away somewhere.
And this is the sensor to pick up your key for the car, innit?
Yeah, because it's got a wireless key.
Yeah.
There you go.
Lovely.
And then I'll tuck that under there. Just stick it there for now. Have a little tidy up, we'll go for a road test.
You'll know because it'll go bloop. There you go. Sorted. So now it's took out the centre light with all the cables running along here, split them all off, which she didn't need, which are all there, and now he's got it running. Sweet.
Just need to do that other side.
The brakes are sick. I love this thing, me.
This is why it's an Asbro. Right, so I've got all that out. Bit of weight saving. A little bit of painting in there. There used to be a stereo here. I'll show you in a second what I'm going to put in there, but for now I've bolted this little GoPro camera mount on there, and then this is a GoPro to phone adapter. Ran my cable in so I can have this on charge, and this is the Draggy Lap app, and I've got the Draggy tucked away down there somewhere on charge constantly. She's in, but the bolt that goes through there into there is fouling, so I'm just going to make a little hole. There she is. Might change this just for a flat plate because I don't like the look of it. I need to get a different button for her as well. I thought I could just swap it over, but obviously not. So I have found the part online. I just need to get that ordered. Like I say, this can be swapped out and I can put the GoPro on there. Might have to put a bit of a mount to put it that way, or I can face it this way. I've also got the Draggy wired in down there, so that's just constantly on charge. See what the satellite signal's like on that. This is wedged in here as well because this clip's broke on this, so I'll get another one of those little panels as well, tidy it all up. this is the new setup. Draggy lap, GoPro remote. No more messing around. When I've got the harness on, I don't have to reach round to the camera. I can set record from here, change the mode. I think I want to try and mount this somewhere nice, but obviously I've got to take it off to charge it up, so I can't just solid mount it. I've got to get a little bracket where I can put it on and take it off, whether it be somewhere, I don't know. I could even put it on the keys and have it somewhere on me. But yeah, we're on, good to go. Cadwell, beginning of June, next track day. Just got to rotate my tyres round. Obviously you've seen the brake suspension's done. We are ready to go. Cannot wait. Show plate on the front. This is not road legal. It is sawn, this car. I do need to swap those white screw caps out for black ones. VT330R is the turbo that's on this. It's AE Turbo's version. KO4 bearing housing. It's a little bit bigger than the hybrid turbos and keeps it nice and cool on track. Lovely jubbly, boosty boosty. Pts, pts.
A few moments later.
And she's home. Forget. Cleared a little bit of rust off those discs, but we could only go out for a couple of minutes. Rameh!
We need to...
Needs a bit of a sprucing up, good going over. What she needs, mate, is a good track day.
Sweet, she started.
Battery terminal coming back off.
Yeah. Get her booked in for an MOT. What's that?
Let her sit here for another 4 months.
Probably. We've got Nürburgring coming up in the M4 soon, haven't we?
Yeah.
So that's going to be...
What you do? You're going on True Rally, aren't you?
Going on True Rally with Lee Lockwood. Chris Slicks is on it with his, what is it, the V8 supercharged
M3, E92.
M3. So he's on that, and then you've got the other lad who's doing the...
There's the Honda Jazz guy going with
the Honda Jazz with the
K20.
K20 swap. He's on it. Obviously, we're on it. And yeah, it's a 3-day road trip to the Nürburgring, 2 days at the Nürburgring, staying in the hotel with him. And then I've got another one later in the year, May, June, July, which is a Switzerland, Austria, Stelvio pass and all that with the M4. But like I said, there'll be more videos coming on the M4 because that's going into Performance M4, the crank hub upgrade, and what is it, ACL race bearings are going in it. I think we're going to have to change the front tyres and put them on the back. Tread's a little low, but then obviously in the next few months we'll just get a new set. We've got a link there. I'm not going to say what garage or what company, but we can get some tyres cheap.
Cheapy cheap.
Cheap.
But if you do want to sponsor us for tyres, we can get them even cheaper.
Yeah, what does Auto Alex use? What's that company?
Don't know.
Tyre you? I don't know. But they've got some.
Now you know.
Yeah, so.
Right, so back to bed.
Cheers.
So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mum.
Tell your gran.